Hey y'all, in these next few clips, I am taking pictures of my measurements. I started at the top, the mid, and the bottom, just so that you all could have a good idea of what my sizes were. Shoot, I didn't even know what my sizes were. And after that, I did a turnaround where I had my arms up. I apologize for the darkness of the room, but I had no other choice at that point. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. And next is the items that I had to use. Vicks Rubber wrap that I used when I was pregnant, and some wipes. And next we are actually getting into me actually getting set up trying to put the glove on. But that was just some baby Vicks that I had at home. And that one's kind of an expensive one. It was one I was using for when my son was sick. And I just pretty much used it, wrapped it all around my big old belly. I did have a son 17 months ago, and since I was already on the thicker side, I just never lost a lot of the weight, especially since I had a C-section. So even right here, I still look like I'm hella pregnant, and I promise you I'm hella not. So I was curious to see how much of this actually really worked. So again, mind you, this is like 4:30 in the afternoon, right after work for me. And I think I kept it on until about maybe, I think it's about 8 o'clock that night after I got home, but you'll see that later when I'm taking it off. But yeah, so here you go. I'm about to start wrapping. Hey y'all, so back at this point, I'm at home and it's about 8 o'clock and I'm just taking off everything. I was so over it. I was tired. I had to drive home that way. Our commute is like a 2-hour commute. You see how loose it is around my stomach. So I was excited when I seen that, but I didn't get my hopes up too quickly. But as I'm cutting it off and I look there, you can actually see there's some sweat dripping and all of that. So yeah, I'm just cutting it off now and showing you my big old belly. You hear my son getting in trouble in the back. I'm here, I'm just doing my measurements for after effect. I was a little surprised. There was a little bit of change, as you all can see in the video. I didn't have it on as long as some people have, so I didn't expect that much of a change. It was only about 4 hours that I had it on. But even just with that, it was a little difference.
What's wrong?
I was asking them what was wrong. Alright, y'all. That's it. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you'd like for me to do. Life hacks or reviews or things of that nature. Love you guys. Love is love.